We want to challenge the people who say SIM no go stand for Rivers State. If the governor says support us, we will support them and we will strengthen the forces to make sure that no people talk carelessly. We ask for Kalabari area, say people they talk anyhow. Well, on our nurse we do for here, we don't see big men, small men, but they run, they come back. Now see big. We go do what we go do, but Kalabari in our place, and Kalabari people are wise enough to know that Kalabari will open vistas of opportunity to us. No, the rest of the land don't skyrocket to some places. They don't even do start themselves. So that means economic growth.
You know, so people don't like to support party. If you don't do anyhow, you go do anyhow with you. Not true. He look, say this man a better man. I need to work with him. The vision I get, now the vision we get. He has people at heart.
We are confident that SYMFONI is indeed capable of handling the intricate administrative demands of Rivers State as a governor. Hence, I resolve to give him our maximum support and cooperation.
I'm happy for you as young, fine German who have emerged as governor of Rivers State. My brother, nobody feel near you. We will support you as I wanna no be pankiko, no be no songo. It's real. So carry on. Citizen Shaman, tell him he has followers, he has support.